The collaborative work of Group 1, and in this video we will discuss the functions of the ports and connectors within the system unit.
Guys, today we're going to talk about the different types of input and output devices on the system unit. Primarily, we're going to talk about the DVI connector and the PS2 connector. So let's get started. DVI or Digital Visual Interface. Digital Visual Interface is an input-output connector device from the system unit to other output devices like CPU, monitor, projector, LED screen, LCD screen, and many more. It produces high-resolution images and sharper audio quality. When compared to other output connector devices like VGA, it is technologically more advanced in design and has a higher output resolution and sharper quality in sound and audio compared to the VGA. And when compared to the HDMI, it is equally comparable. Here it is the design of the DVI or Digital Visual Interface. Stop. Is the DVI Personal System 2 or commonly known as PS2 is a 16 device connector that connects both mouse and keyboard. The purple one is for the keyboard that is used for typing purposes, and the green one is for the mouse that is used to navigate the pointer. And this one is the PS2.
So, I will discuss the HDMI port. So, it has 19 pins, and high-definition multimedia interface is relatively new port in computer systems. It is available in most of the computers or laptops like this. It is used to connect external devices to computer that requires high data transfer rate within. For example, connecting cameras, LEDs, gaming consoles with LEDs, and etc.
Audio port. Audio port is an open source computer library for audio playback and recording. It's also a part of a port media project which aims to provide a set of platform independent libraries for music software. And this is the audio. So this is how we're going to connect. Blue for headset, and then green for speaker.
USB was designed to standardize the connections of peripherals like keyboards, pointing devices, digital still and video cameras, printers, portable media, disk drives, and network adapters to personal computers, both to communicate and to supply electric power. It has largely replaced interfaces such as serial ports and parallel ports, and has become commonplace on wide range of devices. Okay, so this is a VGA port. This one is also a VGA port. So this port is used to connect system's video card with monitor. These connectors hold 15 holes and looks more like a serial port connector. But its only difference is that there are pins and there is no holes. Okay, so this is how you connect a VGA connector to the VGA port. We will tighten the screw.
So this port is what you call LAN, or also known as local area network. So this network allows computers to share equipments or devices such as router or printers, and also to share or exchange data.
This is how you're going to connect it.
So apparently, this model doesn't have parallel port. So, but I have a picture. So this one. A parallel port is a type of interface found on computers, personal and otherwise, for connecting peripherals. The name refers to the way the data is sent. Parallel ports send multiple bits of data at once, in parallel communication as opposed to serial interfaces that send bits one at a time. To do this, parallel ports require multiple data lines in their cables and port connectors and tend to be larger than contemporary serial ports, which only require one data line. So, as you can see, these parallel ports have 25 holes. So, there are many types of parallel ports, but the term has become most closely associated with the printer port or Centronics port found on most personal computers from 1970s through the 2000s. Parallel port interface was originally known as the parallel printer adapter on IBM PC-compatible computers. It was primarily designed to operate printers that use IBM's 8-bit extended ASCII character set to print text, but could also be used to adapt other peripherals, graphical printers, along with a host of other devices, have been designed to communicate with the system. It was an industry de facto standard for many years and was finally standardized as IEEE 1284 in the late 1990s, which defined the Enhanced Parallel Port or EPP and the Extended Capability Port or ECP bidirectional versions. Today, the parallel port interface is virtually non-existent because of the rise of universal serial bus.
I will discuss to you the definition and functions of power supply. So, power supply unit or PSU converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. Modern personal computers universally use switch mode power supplies. Some power supplies have a manual switch for selecting input voltage, while others automatically adapt to the main voltage. Most modern desktop personal computer power supplies conform to the ATX specification. I will show you how to connect the PSU connector to the PSU port.
This is serial port. It has 25 pins. It is used for almost any type of device, including modems, mouse, and printers.